Hello po! This is Cherry from Luxury Bags Affair 2, and now we'll be showing you the newest, one of the newest items from LV. This is the LV Soufflot BB in black color po. This is a new item, and we got this straight from Milan, and this has been sold already, but we have asked permission ng owner natin, ng napakabait na Sisi, that we're gonna do the unboxing of this one. And so, here we go po, so that you're gonna see how nice this item is. So this is the paper bag. And look, ooh, very nice. And also with the ribbon, this comes complete here. Ito po siya. Ribbon. Here it is. Okay. So it comes with, ito po. So for new items na i-order niyo po from us, this comes with receipt, of course. And we got this from Milan. Ito po the receipts. And then the care card. So here it is. Also this one. And so the care card. And so the bag. Ooh. So meet the new LV Soufflot BB in black color. Ta-da! It's so nice. Look at this. It is a 3-compartment bag. Tingnan niyo po, it's a 3-compartment bag. Dito po, the 2 on the sides are closed magnetic po. Wala po tayong makikitang any hardware, but this is magnetic na po. And the middle one is zipper po siya. Dalawang zipper po. And also, yung usual na hinahanap talaga is this one, if it comes with this one. It's so very magaan kind of bag. So yung mga very particular, if the bag is not heavy, I think this is the bag for you. Here. Ganda-ganda po niya. Look at the bottom. This is the black one. This also comes with other colors. But the one that our CC ordered is the black one. Here, the side. And in the middle, wala na pong other pocket. But inside po, on the side, here, it has another pocket for cell phone para di mawala-wala. And I think this is a very nice bag also for travel. It's very compartmentalized. The handle, look at this. It's in black. It's very nice. You can see. Ganito pa siya na-wear. We'll just get this one. Yan. It can be sling also. Very nice. I'm 5'1" po. I'm petite, and this is how it looks to me. The bag, it's very nice. And it's also good for like when you hand carry. Just this one right here. Okay. So this is all about. This is for the new LV Soufflot BB. And this is the BB. There is also an MM size in this one. So this one is the BB size. And then please stay tuned. Next time po, we're gonna show you the unboxing also of the Never Full League of Legends in MM size also. Thank you. Bye!